Alright, you guys, so I'm back home. I forgot to film an intro for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and film the intro right now. We are heading out to the Inlet Grove High School, which is basically in like the Palm Beach area, to a car show. They had an event going on. We thought it would be pretty cool to go out there, help out support the school, and they had prizes and trophies and everything like that. So we wanted to go check it out, and that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. So I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Alright, let's see how long it takes this guy to judge our cars. I'm gonna have to time lapse this because he has been taking. He's been taking like 10 to 15 minutes per car to judge it. Let's go ahead and time lapse this and see how long it takes. Alright guys, I kid you not, this is 5 minutes later, and he's still inspecting the same stuff.
At the announcement, they're gonna say, the car number 29, you must tow your car home. Bro, let me help you when you get to this car.
Finally got to my car. Let's see how long it takes. What are we looking for here? Oh man.
It's taking 1 hour just to take one shit out of the watch them drop everything and everything flies away.
Oh man. It's already been 30 seconds. He hasn't even started.
What's gonna happen?
Oh man. Ready for the Finally, 5 minutes later, 6 minutes later, he moved on to the next car. We're gonna be here forever. Alright, so that was the car show, and I walked away with an award. I got the top 5 imports modified, so that was pretty cool. So I'm gonna bring this to car shows, hang it on the wall. This was just like my registration paper, which is pretty cool. So it was pretty cool for just being a little small high school event. It would, you know, awards and trophies and stuff. If we would have had more of you guys that are in the club come, we would have took another award because the Mustang Club beat us for club participation. They had one more member show up than us. So whoever didn't come, it's your fault. We didn't win an award. or another award, I should say. And if more of you would have came, we probably would have won the other import award. So that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more, and as always, see you guys next time.